darling. Come on, give me a virtual hug. I missed you. Give me a virtual hug. And I'm really sorry, whatever glitch was happening. I'm really sorry for that. Google के साथ में कुछ issues चल रहे थे, जो कि आपने पढ़ा ही है online. Paytm के साथ में भी issue हुआ, which is why हमारी ऐप में भी बहुत सारे games थे, जिसकी वजह से उनको लगा कि we also might be like making like we must be doing gambling and all of that. So there was some misconception which is cleared, and our app is like safe and back. So yeah, how do I look? कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं? Hello. What's up? Hello. And what I want to ask you is about your coins and your recharge. Most of you have got your money back, I hope. And जिनका payment अभी नहीं वापस आया है, don't you worry about it. It will be refunded back to your account. Hi, Iftikhar. Amazing to see you. You guys almost make me feel nostalgic already. You know why? Because it's just so good to see you. विद्या नहीं आया अभी तक? Hello. Hi, Vidya. Did you enjoy the match or not? आज पहला दिन मैच का बिना ऑडियंस के कैसा लगा? How was it? How was the feel? How was the feel? Hey, Shri. Hey, Tushar Agarwal. So good to see you, love. Hey, Munawar. Hey, love. Yeah. When you have a body to flaunt, might as well be flaunt, right? I'm so glad the way it is all shaping up. What's up? Hello 41 people. अच्छा मैं आपको बात बताती हूँ. आप लाइव ज्वाइन करते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप स्टिकर्स में बात नहीं करते हैं ना, लाइक आप ज्यादा बात मत करिए, लेकिन एटलीस्ट से हाय हेलो टू मी, बिकॉज अदरवाइज मुझे आपका ना तो नाम पता चलता है ना कुछ भी. सो आई नीड टू नो हु यू आर, what's your name, and so that I can address you. Hi, Iftikhar. There you are. You want to listen to that song? I'm gonna sing it for you. Okay. तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं. तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी, लेकिन जिंदगी तो नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं. Hi Chanel Paul, how are you? Hi Iftikhar. अच्छा अब ये गाना सुनना है आपको? ये तो सच है. कितनी बेचैन हो के तुमसे मिले, तुमको क्या थी खबर कि मैं कितनी अकेली. हाँ 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 हाँ. Hi Sasha. Hey baby, hi Nandesh Appu, thank you so much. So जैसा कि मैंने कहा, जब आप मुझे टेक्स्ट मैसेज देंगे तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि आप कौन कौन हैं, कहाँ कहाँ से हैं. I'll get to know about your name. Hey Sasha, how are you? इसलिए talk to me baby. Tushar, it's really nice to see you again. Hey Sahil, love you too baby. Hey Arun. How come you guys came so early? Game is still going on, na? कैसे 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 मेरी जान कैसे? Hey Sumit. What's up? Hi. Hello. Happy day. It is my happy day, honey, because I see you here. That's so nice to see you. At any given point in time, if you want me to change, if you want me to wear, I have kept like a sports theme today. So if you want me to see in maroon sports bra, you let me know. I'll wear it on top. If you want me to see in black, hi Sasha, I love you too. Hi Nitish. If you want me to see in this Victoria's Secrets pink, I'll wear this for you. So whatever you like, you let me know and I'll do anything for you today because I love you so much. Hi everybody. Hello everybody. There we go. Hey Sahid. Hey Sasha. So now give me 10 stickers if you want me to change the top. I think it's sexy. I think you have just come. Hey, it's 11:11. It's 11:11, baby. Aw, Vidya. Did you miss me, Vidya? Did you miss me? लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले से Hey, hey Sasha, hey Sheikh Simran, hey Sandeep Yadav, what's up? कहो न कहो कि आंखें बोलती है ओ सनम ओ मेरे सनम मोहब्बत के सफर में तू हमारा है वफा की ना 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 हाय रिमेम्बर दिस सॉन्ग कितना क्रेजी था ना बादलों से ऊंची उड़ान उनकी सबसे अलग सिंग विद मी ना मजा आता था ना इस गाने में सबसे अलग पहचान उनकी उसे है प्यार की रवानी मंजूर आती जाती सबकी कहानी मंजूर so woohoo Sandeep hey what's up babe दिल है कि मानता नहीं बोलिए ना डू यू वांट मी टू चेंज देखो अगर आप मुझसे बात नहीं करोगे स्टिकर्स नहीं दोगे चेंज का तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आएगा कि व्हाट डू यू वांट मी टू डू इफ यू डोंट वांट मी टू चेंज देन यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली से नो if you want me to change you can simply say change dress if you want me to wear a sari on this one you can tell me wear Indian there is so much that you can do you know that there is an option of freezing me no Sasha you like it okay awesome एक और चीज बताऊं I have this skirt also if you want me to wear a skirt. Do you? No, no? Yeah. This is nice. Hey, give me, baby. Hey, Ashish. You want me to change? Who else? Change to what? Change to what, love? Do you want me to wear Western? Yeah? A, मतलब maroon वाला? Wait, I'll give you options. I'll let you decide, baby. Which one? So this one or this one? This is right. This is left. Which one? Come on, tell me. Right or left? Right or left? बोले ना बच्चा. Hi, Fahim Jatui. Hello. She is saying right. This is right, baby. You sure? This is gonna fit like this. And this is, you saw it, na? In tuppy. It's gonna fit like this. Right? Are you sure? Sure about the right? Okay. Why don't I try to wear in front of you? Sasha, I'm trying to make the best of both worlds. Let's see. So basically, this is going to be the third thing that I'm gonna wear. Ta-da! Oh, this is hot. Oh, this is hot. Why? How? How do you do that? You know it better than I do. That what's gonna work well. See, it's. How's it? क्यों? How is it looking? Okay. Oh. Do you like it, Sasha? Vidya, happy? Thank you. Hi, Ramsham. Acha, seeing me from your Lal Chashma, huh? एक बात बताइए ना, should I tie my hair like this? See? Yes or no? No, na, Sasha? Anything you say, baby. I think I should apply liner. Yeah? Wait. I look a little too plain on the camera. मिरर में तो अच्छा लग रहा हूँ मैं. यहाँ पे तो सब plain लग रहा हूँ. क्या बोलते हो? Sasha, you've been just very, very naughty. You want me to freeze like that? Really now? It's so hard anyway. How is it looking? Is it looking alright or something has gone wrong? Wait. Yeah, of course it has gone wrong. आपको पता है कितना ऊपर लगाया है? Fuck. Stay there. See? Is it nice? थैंक यू सुमित, थैंक यू बेबी, थैंक यू विद्या। तो बोला करो ना, अगर कुछ मिसिंग लगा करे तो बोला तो करो। आई एम देयर फॉर यू, आई विल डू एनीथिंग यू वांट, आई विल डू एनीथिंग यू वांट। यू वांट मी टू पुट अ बिंदी ऑन इट नाउ? डू यू? लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई फॉर फन, हाँ? You don't like this, na, Sasha, whenever I do this? I don't know. बिंदी लगा दी तो इंगे नहीं आना चाहता है क्या सीधा? Happy, happy now, not doing it. Just trying to show off my abs. Oh yeah. Give me a song to sing for you. Give me a song to sing. Come on. I look pretty good, man. Look at this. Hannah, isn't it nice? Do you like it? तुम्हें आना बहुत आए गए यादें, मगर इस बार तुम्हें आना इरादे फिर से जाने के नहीं लाना तुम्हें आना। हाँ, would you come? चलो गोवा, you wanna come along? Thank you, Sasha. Hey, Sumit. Hey, love. तेरे जाने का गम, चलो। और न आने का गम, फिर ज़माने का गम, क्या करे राह देखे नजर। अच्छा, आपको पता है आप ना मेरे को वीडियो कॉल कर सकते हो वहां से भी, which means अभी ना कुछ नए लव यू टू सशा, कुछ नई चीजें हैं जो ऐड हो रही हैं, which means कि जब भी आप मेरे को फोन करोगे ना, video calls are going to start from 2000 rupees for 2 minutes to 10 minutes video call alone with me. And आप जब बुक करते हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों को यकीन नहीं होता एक्चुअली कि आई एम गोना बी ऑन कॉल और हम बात करेंगे, तो घबरा करके ना आधे से ज्यादा लोग ज्वाइन करने के बाद चले जाते हैं बीच, मतलब ज्वाइन करते हैं, देखते हैं, गायब हो जाते हैं बिकॉज दे कांट टॉक. Don't worry, I am here to make you feel very, very comfortable. You can talk about my hobby. You can talk about my upcoming projects. You can talk about anything. Tell me about you. There's a lot that we can speak, right? So don't you worry. I'm always here. All right. Super. अभी ये बताओ कि what do you want me to do? Do you want me to change? Do you want me to tell you a Kama Sutra tip? What is that you want to do right now? Hey Saurabh, tight hug, baby. Share one secret. Well, secret of what kind? कल रात को 12 बजे मैंने डिसाइड किया कि I'm gonna go गोवा बिकॉज बहुत टाइम से घर को मिस कर रही हूँ. घर नहीं जा सकती बिकॉज मेरे घर के लिए ना तो ट्रेन चल रही है ना फ्लाइट चल रही है. फ्लाइट है ही नहीं एक्चुअली, डायरेक्ट नहीं है. and I'm missing my family, so I thought might as well I'll have a change of time, change of mood, change of place in Goa. I'll do photo shoots. I'll just chill there. And plus, Pranjal ki friend hai Goa mein. She's having a shoot, so I told her to stay back. And then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take care of them and I'm gonna keep them with me. So yeah, it's gonna be fun trip. और आपको पता है क्या? My ex-boyfriend is also there. Obviously, I'm not gonna meet, but he's there. He's shifted to Goa. He texted my brother. Yeah, he texted my brother. Okay, bro, why don't you come to Goa soon? Surprisingly, this is happening, but no intentions like that. अगर कुछ होगा तो मैं बताऊंगी. I mean, if something happens in terms of टकराना और टकराना वकराना मिलना या ऐसे, not very keen. When you move on, करो ना, alright, true. What's up, baby? What's up, Shweta? What do you want to do? और आपको पता है मेरा कैट भी चला गया. चूरो इज नॉट हियर विद मी नाउ. घर इतना खाली लग रहा है ना. कल हम लोग सुबह सुबह निकल रहे हैं. 12:30 का फ्लाइट है, तो वी हैड टू लीव द कैट.